High up in the sunny branches of a big cherry tree lived a tiny bright red cherry named Cherry. She was smaller than the others, with a tiny stem and a big heart. Every day, the cherries chatted and laughed, growing plump and shiny in the sunshine. But Cherry noticed something others didn't. Berry, the shy cherry hiding behind a leaf, was always quiet and a little pale. The other cherries didn't mean to ignore Berry, but they were too busy showing off their shine. One windy day, a big gust blew through the tree. Cherry heard a soft cry. Berry was slipping from the branch. Without thinking, Cherry wiggled closer, stretched out her little stem, and held on to Berry as tightly as she could. "Hold on, I've got you," Cherry whispered. It wasn't easy, and Cherry lost a bit of her shine in the struggle. But she didn't care. Berry was safe. The next morning, the sun rose over the tree, and all the cherries looked down. "Cherry saved Berry," they cheered. Cherry blushed, her red skin glowing even brighter. Berry smiled and said, "You didn't have to help me, but you did. You're the sweetest friend I've ever had." From that day on, Cherry wasn't the smallest cherry anymore. She was the biggest hearted. And the tree? It was never the same. The cherries laughed louder, shared more, and always looked out for one another, just like Cherry.